My boy. Yeah. Mm. Mm. This is what we do every morning. And in the morning, you climb here. I'm shouting, telling God, hey, Udochukwu. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. He's telling God thank you. See the way they look up. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. See his leg. You can't catch the leg up like especially they dash ballet. Eh? Nah. Oh, yeah. I calm down. Calm down. I'll touch you the go. Okay. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the One Face family. Hmm? Look here. Look here. Good morning, sir. Fine. hmm So it's another day. Another vlog. Hmm? hmm So we came here to see outside. You know? mm-hmm. Don't you close your mouth? Don't you they look foul? Foul they work on your own judge like they look. Anyway, yesterday night the rain fall. Hmm? But I see this boy mouth oh. Has he close your mouth? Oh. Mm-hmm. See. What did you look at? That foul. Mm. Rain fall yesterday. They don't pass and come. Mm-hmm. Yeah, na everyday rain. See what is taking the dochuku? All is your attention. Hmm? Na foul. Guys, my baby just back finish. Wash our hair. See our dada. Don't finally carry the thing. Here the hair they shine. See. Okay. Today we go work but na later. Later because our papa no dey. He go Lagos yesterday. He's coming back. So more prepare before we go finish you. We go come back. My baby is sleeping. Don't you call Lola? So now I want to go and do work. Okay? Daddy, daddy, yeah, yeah. Daddy, daddy, daddy.
How are you? Daddy miss you. Daddy miss you. Big boy. How are you? I hope your mother give you food. Yeah? He give you food. You take one. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my
You see
boy.
now, you don't come back now. You don't ask me, how are you? Now we don't you first. Eh? How are you? Eh? No, don't you? Eh?
A few minutes later.
We are going to work. We are going to work. Okay? So, our papa don't come back. They don't go front there. So, at the lock door. Don't lock door finish. So, move they go. Let's go together. Huh? Now lie down, now you there. Now you sit down there. Mm. Mm. Oh, yeah, come. My boy, you don't wake up from sleep. Just wake up. Tomorrow they go work. Eat rice. I wake up. Let me wake am up. Come they go. Mm? Okay. Coming out. See now we are flowing here. Mm? Um, we came to shop in the morning. She said our papa don't full shop. He don't buy market plenty. Oh, no. No, say 3 days, abi 4 days now. No come work. The rain too much. So our market. Mm, so now is differentiating the birth and profile separate because na two market dey that back, just buy the market on Saturday. So you never separate the market. So now wetin dey do be that. It's, it's different market in one bag. So you are separating it. So if you want buy am now, maybe one person go buy prod. Yeah. If you need profile, they go add am too. Now do they do be that? We are in the shop. We are in the shop. You see, on Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we no come shop. No come shop. So today Monday we come. See your laugh. See laugh. They laugh with uncle. We no come shop. So Monday today, see our shop don full. We don buy market. Eh? Dochiku, what are you doing with dog? Daddy said to touch it. Don't touch it too, yeah? No, say no. Say no. Hi fam. Good afternoon. We are back.
I'm back.
We are back. Oh. Rain dey fall. As the rain dey fall. As rain, tomorrow na this rain start. As you see, you first enter shop, you no fall again. As you lie down, now the thing wan fall. Now you go check who dey go. Before you go come up for junction, things don argue there. Before me and Ogun go find where we go enter. God, everywhere don full. Everywhere don full. People don dey run. Rain beat those people small. So no know say rain go fall. For carry umbrella. But we are back now. Okay.
Many hours later.
My people, shey you remember that my husband sleep na? Can hear. Oh, you want me? This people dey chop my oil. They chop oil well. So see the soup here. That man can cook. Hi guys, I am done eating now. So we don't sleep finish. So now I want to go cook night food. So now I want to cook night food. So I want to cook spaghetti. So now to go eat at night with that. Yeah. Well, now my daughter go cook am. Make she cook am for me. She cook am this night. We go chop am. So let's go and see what she can do. What she can cook oh. Amara dey cook very well. She can cook. So now she dey even cook soup sef. She dey cook soup. You know. uh So but now make she cook the spaghetti. I tire. I tire oh. Let's go. See wetin she wan cook. She don arrange them. If she wan cook, she go first arrange them. Yeah, na tiny spaghetti. Tiny one. No, I have a big girl in the house. Sometimes if I tired to cook, na she go cook am. Your shanty, let me cook. I go and cook. So, a tiny one. Oh. She wants to show you guys. She's shy. She's a shy. Shy.
Guys, this is my onions. I want to cut my onions. Okay.
Big girl.
I'll cook it back.
Why shall you?
You wash it before you cut it. Before you cut it. That's good. This is how I used to cut my hair. This is how I used to cut my hair.
Okay.
I won't start. Like this. Now I'm done cutting my onions. You need to prepare everything. I will use one because it's only one pack.
No, they can finish.
This is filter. In our village, we used to call it iyo.
What are you doing? You want to filter spaghetti? You want to pay away? Okay. She don't forget what she want to talk. Okay.
Let me shake my
The dinner is boiling.
it's boiling. See? Now it's boiling. As you can see. Now I am done by boiling it. I need to pour cold water. If you leave it like this, it's a done.
My people don't mind this one.
It's too hot. I need to pour
Our night don't come. I mean, the thing. Our kitchen is small, no big. So I make we need the two show, the manager. It's everywhere dark.
Okay, I am done washing it. Now I need to fry it because it's jollof.
I beg, you not come out here finish. Hey, don't do a beg, don't do it cost. You don't have money. You don't have money for market. Now everything I don't have money. You know, why you have a big girl in the house? If you're tired to cook, you can help you and cook it. Yeah, I get power to cook now. Why they laugh? I've laughed.
You can see the inside.
Come on. Now what tomato they eat for you? Everything I don't have money for market now. What would you? How to take you take one.
Now my tomato are dry. Now I will pour in my water and spice. You see the level of the water because it's tiny spark. Hunger. This one is correct.
Okay.
This one is keremu. Keremu.
Kereru. I beg go. Make the thing no pass.
Let me test it first. Let me know how to test.
Pepper don't pass. Have you stop?
Now I need to pour in my pack, my spaghetti.
Then go.
Oh. with tiny spark.
No put meat or fish, oh. Now that to the cook am.
Let me put small water. And cover it.
Whoa. She don't cook finish. we don't cook. We don't cook finish.
Yes.
Our mother don't cook finish. You don't cook. Okay. I am.
See you in our next video.
I don't you the fish from my body.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
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 Bye.